Okay. Hello everybody, it's me, Walnut here. Today I am playing Restaurant Tycoon 2, and I haven't played since I redecorated it for Christmas, but I didn't record an episode for Christmas because it was acting up and it was being all weird. So this is a very late Christmas episode. I mean, it's like okay, I just pressed their faces. Okay, here you go. A table for four, right? Okay, let's make up the water. How do I make up water? Okay, maybe let's... I don't know how to... Okay, I'll just hire a new chef. 5 more dishes before qualifying to be a chef. I don't know how to do this game. Why is it? Table for 2. Click a table. There we go. It's like pretty much almost springtime. Here you go. Here you go, sir. I'll give it to you. Yeah, wait. What is this for? Oh, this is for you. Okay. Give it to you. See, this is why I like the original Restaurant Tycoon. It's much easier. I don't know why. Okay. There we go. Okay. I don't know why this is so hard. Okay. Oh, look. They have an animation now. Thank you. Thank you. They're waiting for the water. Collect dishes. Thank you. Okay. This needs to go to you. I hope the Italian salad will be delicious. I've been meaning to taste the Italian salad. Collect dishes. Okay. Go to the preparation counter. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. We have nothing else to cook. Okay. I need to take more orders. I'll take the Italian salad. Okay. Collect your dishes. I don't know where the hitboxes are to like where I need to click, so it's just being kind of annoying here. Yeah, don't mind all the Christmas decorations. Those will come down next episode. I promise. It's just kind of sad because it's like I only get like an episode. Like I got the whole Halloween thing, and I just hello. Oh my gosh. Heck, okay. I love the garlic bread. Thank you. Okay. Oh my gosh. Cook. Go to oven. Cook. Oh. Jeez. Once I get the trainee chef, you'll collect rewards. Day 6 complete. I got a new dish. Unlock. Ooh. Ooh, what do I want? Ooh, orange juice? I want orange juice. Continue. Oh, my food is burning. My food is burning. Okay. That's great. I don't know. Okay, can I hire... No, I want to hire a waiter. Return to work. Okay, my waiter will take care of everything. And while he is doing that, we will, no. We'll store that. We'll just put away all the Christmas decorations. Oh, hey, look, there's like actual animations now. This is actually so much cooler than the original. I remember when this game came out and there was like nothing. I bought it for like 80 Robux and it was a waste. But it's like actually good now. It's just a little bit glitchy and sometimes a little bit annoying, but it's okay. Cheeseburger and desserts. Drinks menu, water, orange juice. Oh, we got some orders. We're gonna fire him, yeah. We're gonna delete him because I want to actually do stuff. Oh, okay. Go to the preparation counter. Look at this. This is all of my Papa's Pizzeria training going in real good here. Cook. Take out. Chocolate bunny pop. Oh, event prize unlocked. Chocolate bunny pop. Ooh, cool. How do I get that event? Dessert egg. Chocolate bunny pop. Okay, take it out. Oil. Okay. Okay, I can only do so many different things at a time. Finish. Oh. What is this? What are we making? I don't even know what we're making. Are we making, like, spaghetti? Because, like, that might be meatballs. Okay, cheese pizza. Let's add the sauce. Go to the oven. Yeah, we're not even adding cheese to it, which is funny. Okay, let's do the cheeseburger as well. I love cooking games. Honestly, I love cooking games. They're so much fun. Like, I want to be a chef when I grow up. Well, actually, no, I want to be a YouTuber. Like, when I was a kid, the 3 things that I really wanted to be were either, well, I guess 4 things. Well, I guess 5 things. Okay, some of the things that I wanted to be when I was a kid was either an actor or a YouTuber or a game dev or a marine biologist or a cook. And cooking is something that I really love doing. And I love playing cooking games. They're just so much fun. Like, honestly, take all of these. I especially love when you just get stressed out because you're doing 5 things at once. But this time, you're not stressed out because you have a waiter doing everything for you. Well, not everything, but mostly everything. Hello, Mr. Waiter. Finish. Is that... Why is the mouse in a ketchup bottle? Or not mouse, why is the chocolate in a ketchup bottle? Jeez, these orders just keep coming and coming and coming. Finish. Add sauce. Still have my cough. I would like... Okay, how do I pick up? How do I pick stuff up? Like, pick up orders? I don't know. Quests. Finish. I'm gonna look at my quests in a minute. I'll do that in a minute. Fry. I have so many different orders. I don't have time to do anything else. Oh, okay. Cook. we apparently have a new event menu item. Carrot cake, okay. Oh, my food is burning. Okay, that's not good. Poor kids. Okay, let's see. What are my quests? What do we have? Daily. Serve Easter dishes. Okay. Serve chocolate bunny pop in your restaurant. Order Easter dishes from... Wait, you can go to other... You can go to other restaurants? Are the waiters in this game just like how they are in the original game where they can't collect cash? Oh, really? Is that... Are we closed? Yo quiz quiz cuisine, I think is what it was called, what I had it as. There we go, Yo-Yo Cuisine from Battle for Dream Island. If you know that show, you are awesome. You are a wonderful, amazing person who had a hard time collecting cash. Excuse me, please. What the heck? I don't understand this game. I don't understand this game. Just stick to cooking. Just stick to cooking. Oh, so I guess he gets the drinks for the people. Exit or no exit. Restaurant. Upgrades. Waiter trays allows you to carry multiple plates at once. Unlocks a tip jar item in build mode, giving you some spare change. Oh, I want. Let's expand the plot. Do we not have enough? Oh, we don't have enough. Ooh, I have a new dish. Ooh. Either cheese pizza, lasagna, or onion rings. None of these are necessarily healthy. I feel like we should always have more stuff in the kids menu. Because I feel like there's never enough of anything in the kids menu. Sorry, I get distracted easily. I just like... Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, I have another thing. Oh my gosh. Add sauce. Whee! We're gonna close the restaurant. Closed. Set restaurant to closed. So that way we just get all of these people. Okay, upgrades. I need more shmonies. So I can get that. Cook. We only have $558. Finish. We don't want it to burn. Cook. This is so hard. This is like such a hard game to play. Okay, preparation counter. Click, 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 click. Chop, 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 chop. Go to the stove. Oh, look at it. Comes in like a little kids menu box thing. Kids menu box thing. Wow. Gosh, more orders. It never ends. The orders just never, ever, ever end. Carrot cake. Cool. Cool. We have people who want the carrot cake. That's fun. That's a fun thing. Fry. Cook. It's not winter anymore because it's like Easter is here almost. Which means spring has sprung. Finish. Oh my gosh, this really never ends, does it? Yeah, I still don't understand why the chocolate sauce is in a ketchup bottle. My gosh, another. No, please. Why? Do I have to have another order? What did they order? They were waiting for the carrot cake. I like how you just can't see their order. Oh my, take out. Yeah, I know my food is burning. Oh my gosh. Cool. I like how you just can't see their order through the window. You just can't see, like, the names of the characters either, or the food that they're carrying. Ah, yes, let me just eat my chocolate bunny pop with a nice fork and knife. No, please. Okay, fine. You can come back. Return to work. Can you just, like, collect the cash, please? Okay, we're gonna just put on break. You know what? It's fine. Okay. Restaurant. Expanded plot. Let's get that. Not stairs, let's go chairs. Let's pick item. Okay. Exit. Restaurant. Let's open up. Return to work. Oh yeah, sure, now. Hello? There we go. Move you here, move you here, move you here, move you here. Why can't I move it? Okay, whatever. It's fine. Anyways, we just need to wait for some shmonies. Oh, there's a Ferris wheel? Oh, there's like a whole lot more going on here than I thought. It's a lot more in-depth than the original. Restaurants. Waiter trays. Oh, that was you to carry. Okay, can I? Card payments. Baby chairs. Card payments. Basic advertising. Plot upgrade. Expanded plot 2. Oh, that is actually quite a lot. Yeah, we'll wait for that. You can tell that I am very good at my job when I add my own sound effects. That's how you know someone is really good at their job, is when they're adding their own sound effects to their workplace. Add sauce. I like how we're not even adding cheese. We're just adding the sauce. And like it doesn't even like the sauce doesn't even like appear on it. We really need more shmonies. We are running out of shmonies. I don't know what pay. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it. I mean, I butchered it probably. Okay, cheese pizza. Yum. Cook. Day 8 complete. Collect rewards. Cola. Yeah, sure. Continue. Okay. Operator. What? Oh. Oh. Interesting. I got the cola. That's what I got. Okay. Oh, can I up the prices in this game? I don't think I can, but that would be cool. Like in Theme Park Tycoon 2, how you can just make people pay $20 just to use the bathroom. I like how I'm just doing that. Like, that looks so dumb. Like, and then, so silly. Okay, fry it up. Cook. I have so many different things that I'm cooking all at one time. Okay, maybe it wouldn't hurt to get a chef. I'm thinking maybe that wouldn't hurt. I don't have enough cash. Okay, maybe it would hurt to hire a new chef because I need to finish fixing my ugly restaurant. Are they? Wait, are they? Oh, they're ordering desserts now. Finish. I didn't mean to jump. That's my bad. Ooh, day night completed. I'm gonna wait until it's all done so that way I don't burn my food. Oh my. Okay, we're just gonna collect rewards right now. Unlock. This one. Oh, I should have done that. You've unlocked. Okay, cool. Maybe this table just wasn't meant to be. Maybe that's like the moral of the story. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to go cook food. I need to not like sing songs when I'm doing stuff. I don't want to get like copyright struck. I mean, I don't know. Is it copyright strike if you're just like doing the tune of it? Let's go into build mode. Pick item. Let's do that. And that, and that. There we go. That way the waiter can come out here. Exit. Okay. Now we're back down to 11 money. Okay. I really don't understand why this table is causing me so many issues. I got the, wait, when did we have potato salad? Oh, look, it's that little potato. It's a filthy potato. That's what it is. Tilt Slicer, if you're watching that, yeah, that's your filthy potato salad. That's for you. You didn't understand the reference. Well, I guess I should explain the reference. Okay, so one time I was playing with my cousin and we were playing on Minecraft, and we used to play Bedrock Edition. I know, it's horrible. You can hate me in the comments. I don't really care, but I prefer Java Edition. It's easier to play. But anyways, she had bought a realm. I almost said her real name, but I don't want to do that for privacy reasons. So she had bought a realm. Thank you so much, you stupid thing. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to go like right underneath the cache. I don't know. Anyways, so we were on her realm, and I would always, whenever we would make a world together, I would always live with her because I was too scared to live on my own in Minecraft, and I liked living with her because it was more fun. And so she had bought a realm, and we had split off into different groups. There was a group of her, Lego, and then her brother was on his own, and then Unknown was also on their own. I don't remember Unknown's pronouns. I think his pronouns were he, him, but Unknown was on his own. Tilt Slicer had built up this really big stone wall for me and Lego to live inside of. I was originally with Tilt Slicer's brother. I'm gonna call him Jay. So I was originally living with Jay, and then Unknown was like, hey, we're gonna burn down Jay's house. But we had built our house out of cobblestone, so they couldn't actually burn it down. So the joke was really on them. Ooh, yeah, I want cheesecake. Tilt Slicer goes and is like, hey, I found some potatoes. Lego, you want some potatoes? And Lego's like, yeah, sure, I'll take some. And then she's like, Walnut, do you want some potatoes? And I'm like, I don't want your filthy potatoes. Well, how long did that explanation take? I don't know.
I don't want to know. I'll probably edit a fair amount of it out so that way it's not like super boring. So yeah, if you hear me and Tilt Slicer in future videos calling each other filthy potatoes, well, now you know why. Yeah, I remember when this game first came out and it didn't even have drinks. I honestly, I played this game like once and then I went back to the original. And now that I'm back on this one again, now that I've come back to it a long time later, it's actually a really good game and I really enjoy playing it. Gelato. More orders. Stop giving me orders. I don't want more orders. Oh, and then also another thing. When I first played Roblox, so I joined in 2016. I know this specifically because I remember that I was at the Mayday Fair when I played it for the first time, and I used a guest account because I didn't have my own account, so I looked up when my original account, because this is my new account after I lost my original account, which is the one with the bacon hair that's shirtless. That was my original avatar when I was a kid. I was a guest initially, and I was at the fair, and it was really hot that day, and there was glare on my mom's phone, but I didn't care because I was playing Roblox, and I was playing Escape the Toilet Obby. Yeah, I was really little, and I was like, hey, this is fun, let's do this game. Alright, let's move this back and forth, chop, click rapidly, go to the oven, serve Easter dishes. Oh, I did that. What did I get? Plus 100 event XP. Cool. Do I have to close the restaurant? Is that what I have to do? No, because the restaurant was closed and I was able to do it. Put on break. Return to work. Take care of these people. Okay, now put on break. Okay, so this one has the least. So build. What if I sell this? Is it going to be just 25? You can't delete this item right now. You can't move this item right now. Empty restaurant. Okay, exit. Oh, Q? No. Hang on. Build mode. Q. Oh, no. That's not what we want. Okay. Store. No. I don't know. Okay, I collect rewards. Day 11 complete. 16 dishes cooked. Unlocked. I want lemonade. Let's do lemonade. Continue. Okay, I think that's gonna do it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below what games you think I should play, and as always, eat your almonds, don't drown, and have a nice day.